Um, Hello, it's Joshua Stotts here, and today I'm going to do a birthday unboxing video from, I think it's called, I don't know, I'm just gonna open the box. I don't know. Woo! I got a pair of socks, yellow and gray socks. I have another pair. I have some skinny Tony Hawk skinny jeans. Pretty cool. Some of those. Let's see. I got a DC, by the way, I'm probably gonna do a, DC shoe review of my new DCs. Yeah. Last but not least, I have, Tony Hawk Skinny Slim. But, that's all. Well, so